Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Hope everyone is having a wonderful day today. Hope everyone is having a good day today. So I hope you're watching my videos and liking my videos and sharing my videos. I hope you like my content. Make sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get the videos notification. So the topic of today's discussion will be how to set up your professional email through Namecheap through cPanel. So let's just hop into the screen and start our video. Let's just go to the cPanel. Just follow the video. For those of you who are already aware of this, they can skip this video as I already mentioned it into my every video. For those of you who are new to this, or who are student, or who want to learn Namecheap, or about Namecheap, who want to learn more about Namecheap, or who are web developers, they can see this video. So to set up your custom email address, you must have a domain name and a hosting plan, right? So that you can use that custom email address. So what are you gonna do is you're gonna access your cPanel through this, and you're gonna scroll down to this email section, right? So after scrolling down and viewing this section, you can click on these email accounts, right? So let me go to this section into your cPanel. So here are my available options, so that I can create a new domain. You are gonna click on this create button. Simply is that, and you're gonna click on this option for the domain that you want to select. You can select from the list into this drop down menu, or if you have only one domain, that's gonna show it over here, right? So you can use anything like you want for HR, or for admin, or for anything. You can or even for your name. So you can type your name here, and let's just say I am typing here admin@of mydomain.com, right? So it's here. You're gonna set up a password here, or you're gonna ask this software to generate a strong password for you, or you can just simply generate a password. Or if you want to increase the space, manage the space for your mailbox, you can go do it through the edit settings, and you can select the maximum space that you want for your mailbox. So it's obviously with the hosting plan, the space that Namecheap allows you to use. So just click on this create button, then your email is created. So you can use you can use your email, or you can access your email through that this emails options, right? You can click on to view your email option, or that's as simple as you can access this email, and you can use that email, your custom email that you want. So I hope you like my video. Make sure to like this video, share this video. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Bye bye.